Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad simple step by step. Start by washing and drying all fruit, then trim and core apples and pears to prevent browning. Slice berries, mango, and melon into even pieces for consistent texture. Toss fruit gently in a chilled bowl to preserve juices, and add a light dressing only if needed to enhance flavor without overwhelming freshness. Choose fruits that mix well: sweet berries, tart citrus, and creamy banana or avocado for variety. Aim for color contrast to make the salad visually inviting and appetizing. Include one firm fruit like apple or pear to provide structure and bite in each spoonful. Avoid overripe pieces that can turn mushy and dominate the bowl. Keep flavors balanced so every bite is refreshing and enjoyable for everyone. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: I spotted a product that made me smile. Socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days cooking and standing at the counter. See the description for the link and extra deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Make a quick dressing with orange or lemon juice, plus a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness. Zest a little citrus to boost aroma and stir in finely chopped mint for a fresh note. If desired, add a splash of yogurt or a spoon of mascarpone for creaminess, but keep it light. Always mix gently so soft fruits stay intact and the salad retains a pleasant texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.